In this video, you'll learn how to install and sign up for Calendly on your mobile device. By the end of this tutorial, you will have the app installed and your account set up, ready for use. To begin the installation process on an Android phone, first locate and open the Google Play Store on your device. Once the store is open, tap on the search bar, type in Calendly and press search. In the search results, look for the app developed by Calendly. When you find it, tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. The download time may vary based on your internet speed, so be patient as the app installs. If you are using an iPhone, start by opening the App Store on your device. Once in the App Store, tap on the search tab at the bottom of the screen. Enter Calendly into the search bar and initiate the search. Look for the app published by Calendly in the results. When you find it, tap on the Get button to start the download. As with Android, the installation time will depend on your internet connection. After the app has been successfully installed on your device, locate the Calendly app icon on your home screen and tap on it to open the app. Upon opening, you will be presented with two options: log in or sign up. If you are a new user, select sign up to create a new account. You will now see several options for signing up. You can choose to continue with Google if you prefer to use your Google account, or continue with Microsoft if that is your preference. Alternatively, you can select the option to sign up using your email address. If you choose email, simply enter your name and create a password that meets the required criteria. It is important to select the correct time zone, so ensure you choose Philippines from the time zone options provided. Once you've filled in your details, you will need to confirm your email address. Look for a confirmation email sent to the address you provided. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your account. This step is crucial as it ensures the security of your new Calendly account and allows you to access all features effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.